Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install AttackShark X68HE software. So first thing you need to do is open your browser and search for AttackShark driver. Then open this first official website from AttackShark. Now all you need to do is scroll down, go to keyboard section and search for X68HE. Then you should have this option right here. Click on it and then click AttackShark X68HE software. This will download. After the download, you should have a zip file and zip it. Then you will find a file called application. Just click on it and then follow the instruction. After that, your driver will be installed into your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.